know that a lot of people are shouting on the pulpit today? God did not approve them. A lot of prophecy, a lot of prophets are saying, "Thus says the Lord," and the Lord has not approved them. A lot of gospel singers are singing today, and God said, I don't have my approval on them. That must not be your portion. Now, let me ask you a question. Is it possible that we have pure water without NAFDAC number? Is it every, God bless you, sir, is it every pure water that have NAFDAC number? Is it every pure water that have NAFDAC number? No! Is it every school that has been approved by God, by Ministry of Education? You know, we have non-approved school. So it is possible that somebody will be a leader and God has not approved him.